Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to divide both sides by dy. This one we have s multiplied by number 1 and s squared. Next, we divide both sides by x to the power of 3. Next, we have 1 over s squared and dx over x to the power of 3 dy. So that is about Bernoulli's equation. So I will put about v equals to 1 over s squared. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have dv over dy equals to negative number 2 over s to the power of 3 dx over dy. Because we don't have negative number 2, so we need to divide both sides by negative number 2. This one we change by v. This one we can change by this one. So this one I will put on the right, and we have y to the power of 4. Next, we divide both sides by negative y over 2. Next, we have v, and first derivative of v we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu y equals to e to the power of the integration. We can see that negative number 2 over y next to v, that is for integrating factor. So the integration of this one, we have negative number 2 f and y, and later that negative number 2 go inside about natural law in here. And this one we simplify, and we have y to the power of negative number 2, or we can put like this. That means we need to multiply both sides by this one. Next, we need to integrate for the both sides. Next, we can use about the product rule of the derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So we have first derivative of a multiplied by b. This one we have first derivative of b multiplied by 8. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of that one, this is about v over y squared. The integration of y, we have y squared over 2, and I will put about c. So number 2 and number 2 we cancel, and now we just have only negative y squared. About v, that is about 1 over s squared. This is the end. Thank you for watching.